Ever wondered if there's a secret weapon in your toolbox that could revolutionize your workday, making you faster, smarter, and ultimately, more profitable? What if that weapon wasn't a fancy new drill or an innovative diagnostic tool, but something you already carry in your pocket every single day? I'm talking about your smartphone, and more specifically, the incredible power of the ServiceTitan mobile app. We've all been there, juggling paper invoices, frantically calling the office for customer history, or trying to remember if you quoted that extra part on the last visit. It's chaotic, inefficient, and frankly, a drain on your valuable time. But what if all that information, every customer detail, every service history, every pricing option, was right at your fingertips? Literally, that's the promise of the ServiceTitan mobile app, and today, we're not just scratching the surface, we're diving deep into a full, comprehensive guide designed to turn you into a ServiceTitan mobile master. This isn't just about using an app. It's about transforming your workflow, enhancing customer satisfaction, and boosting your earning potential. From the moment you receive your first dispatch to the final payment collection, the ServiceTitan mobile app is designed to streamline every step of your field service journey. So, grab your phone, get ready to unlock its full potential, and let's explore how this powerful tool can change the way you do business. Alright, let's kick things off with the absolute essentials. Logging in and getting familiar with the main dashboard. When you first open the ServiceTitan mobile app, you'll be greeted by the login screen. Your credentials will be provided by your company, so enter your username and password and tap Login. Once you're in, you'll land on your home screen, which is your mission control for the day. Here, you'll see a clear overview of your assigned jobs, your schedule, and any important notifications. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. At the bottom, you'll likely see navigation icons for things like jobs, schedule, customers, and perhaps a more or menu option. Tapping on jobs will show you a list of your current and upcoming dispatches. Schedule gives you a calendar view of your day or week. Easy enough, right? Now let's talk about the bread and butter of your day, managing jobs. When you tap on a job from your jobs list, you'll be taken to the job overview screen. This is where the magic truly begins. At the top, you'll see crucial information like the customer's name, address, and contact details. No more fumbling for call sheets or relying on memory. Just a quick tap, and you can call the customer directly from the app. Below that, you'll find sections for job details, customer history, estimates, invoices, and payments. Let's break down job details. This section provides all the specifics about the current service request, the type of service, a description of the issue, and any notes from the office or previous visits. This immediate access to context is invaluable. Imagine walking into a customer's home already knowing their past service history and the problem they're experiencing. That immediately builds trust and professionalism. Next up, customer history. This is a goldmine. Tapping on this will reveal every past service performed for that customer, including dates, what was done, and even the technicians who worked on it. This not only helps you diagnose recurring issues more effectively, but also allows you to proactively suggest maintenance or upgrades based on their past service patterns. Think about the upsell opportunities that open up when you can confidently say, "I see we replaced your AC unit 3 years ago, and now might be a good time to consider a tune-up for optimal performance." Moving on to estimates. This is where you build out your proposed solutions and present them to the customer. The ServiceTitan app makes this incredibly intuitive. You can add services from your company's preloaded price book, ensuring consistent pricing and accurate quoting every time. Need to add a custom item? No problem. The app allows for on-the-fly additions and adjustments. You can build multiple options: good, better, best, allowing the customer to choose the solution that best fits their needs and budget. And here's the game changer. You can present these estimates directly on your tablet or phone, visually showcasing the value of each option. The customer can even sign off on the estimate right there on your device, eliminating the need for printing and scanning. Once the work is done, it's time for invoices. With a tap, you can convert your approved estimate into a professional invoice. The app automatically populates all the services and parts, ensuring accuracy and saving you precious time. You can add any additional notes about the work performed and even capture customer signatures for completion. This digital trail is invaluable for record-keeping and dispute resolution. And finally, payments. The ServiceTitan mobile app offers seamless payment processing. You can accept credit card payments on the spot, process checks, or record cash payments. No more chasing down payments or waiting for checks to clear. This not only improves your company's cash flow, but also offers a convenient and professional experience for your customers. Imagine a customer saying, "How do I pay?" And you can respond, "Right here on my device," in seconds. Beyond the core job management, let's explore some of the other powerful features. The app often includes integrated GPS for routing and navigation, ensuring you get to your next job efficiently. It also provides access to your company's forms and checklists, ensuring compliance and consistent service delivery. Need to take a photo of an issue or a completed repair? The app allows you to capture and attach images directly to the job, providing visual documentation that can be incredibly helpful for both your records and for customer communication. And for communication with the office, many versions of the app have a built-in chat function, allowing you to quickly get answers to questions without disrupting your workflow or making a phone call. One crucial aspect we haven't explicitly covered is offline mode. ServiceTitan understands that internet access isn't always reliable in the field. Many features of the mobile app are designed to work offline, syncing data once a connection is reestablished. This means you can continue working without interruption, even in basements or remote locations. Always ensure your app is synced before heading out for the day, and when you have a connection again, make sure to sync any new data. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.